Hello everybody, welcome back. I'm at Six Flags America. It's in Bowie, Maryland, and gonna ride the Firebird. You Six Flags Great America people, this was our old Iron Wolf coaster. Its last run was that weekend of September 5th, 2011. It was removed and brought here, and it became the Apocalypse. And now it's the Firebird. It's not a stand-up coaster no more, it's Firebird. I guess it didn't turn out great as a stand-up one here neither. But it's looks like they removed the floor, and your feet are just dangling. You can sit in this one. But this is the actual Iron Wolf coaster from Six Flags Great America, where Goliath is right now, across from Fiddler's Fling. I'll walk around and get a view of it here. Oh, here they come out of the station, folks. See, the floor is gone. Their feet are just hanging. It's a floorless coaster now. This is, in fact, the old Iron Wolf coaster at Six Flags Great America that was removed for Goliath. And it looks like they kept the dark red on the rail part of the track, and they added the orange and the gray to it. But this is our old Iron Wolf coaster, the exact coaster. I'm gonna go walk there and get a look at the track first before I go on. Looks like they're doing a test run here. There's people in line. I'm gonna go on it. This thing does about 56 miles an hour. Little nostalgia ride without standing on it. This was a stand-up coaster. Yeah, I rode this plenty of times when it was Iron Wolf. It was at Six Flags Great America for 21 years as a stand-up coaster. The whole thing was a dark red like the rail is here. But it's not a stand-up anymore. All right, here we go.
Are you scared?
Hell no, I rode this when it was a stand-up one. I like the fact that it's not a stand-up one no more. Should have just kept it at our park and make it this way, sitting on it. Here we go. Actually, it feels a little rougher than it was as a stand-up one. The padding on the side of the head, it's got different padding on it, but it's still, if you're wearing glasses, you know.
I had to take my glasses off here.
Yeah. It was cool though. Tight turns on it. Well, this is a good conclusion of my video, folks. Thanks for watching. Please share, like, and subscribe. Those little things help the channel out and help us grow. Please feel free to click on a video or a playlist on the end screen when it pops up there. Till next time, so long, everybody.